Would you invest in something that guaranteed a 40-to-1 return? That's exactly what my program guarantees you. For $997, I take you through 10 weeks of learning how to acquire your first real estate investment property, leveraging other people's money, and adding, at minimum, $40,000 to your net worth. Now, with the process that I teach you, you should be able to do it over and over and over again, guaranteeing you more than a 40-to-1 return. I'm a 10X certified business coach. I am licensed to deliver all of Grant Cardone's information on real estate. You can go ahead and take his course. It's about $5, $10, maybe even $15,000 at this point. Or you could hire me as your real estate coach who's going to deliver the same exact content that Grant Cardone does for a way better rate. If you're interested in learning how to acquire your first real estate investment property and start building a portfolio to create financial freedom for you and your family, click the link below. Head over to my website, get signed up for the program. We're gonna walk through 10 weeks of learning how to acquire your first property and start developing a real estate portfolio to set your family financially free for life.